I've been snoring so awfully for so long. What do I do here? So I went down this rabbit hole of trying to understand, what do I do? And I discovered an article written by James Nestor. He was a best-selling author of this book called Breath. He talks about this experiment where they plugged their nose for 10 days. They went to Stanford Medical Center and they wanted to measure what happened, both anecdotally and what do these doctors have to say. After 10 days, their blood oxygen plummeted. They had crazy sleep apnea and they snored through the roof. So then when they unplugged their nose, they mouth taped. Everything went away after a day.